Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your stock portfolio with Fidelity, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Fidelity Investments homepage. If you don't have an account, click on the Open an Account button to get started. Follow the prompts to create a personal account by providing your information. If you already have an account, click on Log in and enter your credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Research tab on the main navigation bar. Click on Research to access a variety of investment tools and resources. Explore the stock screeners available to filter companies based on criteria that interest you. Use the performance metrics to identify stocks that have performed well over time. Next, look for stocks that align with your investment strategy. For example, consider growth stocks, dividend stocks, or value stocks based on your goals. Once you identify potential stocks, click on their names to access detailed information. Review each stock's profile, which includes financial performance, news, and analyst ratings. Keep an eye on the news section for any major announcements affecting your stocks. Next, utilize Fidelity's educational resources to enhance your knowledge. Navigate to the Learning Center where you'll find articles and webinars. Participate in webinars that focus on enhancing your investing skills. Now, let's create a watch list of potential stocks. Locate the watch list feature and add your selected stocks to keep an eye on them. Monitor their price movements regularly. After conducting thorough research, decide which stocks you want to buy. When ready, click on Trade and choose stocks to begin the purchasing process. Enter the stock symbol and the number of shares you wish to buy. Select the type of order you want, whether market or limit order. Review your order carefully to avoid any mistakes. Then, click Confirm to finalize your purchase. After building your portfolio, regularly review and rebalance your investments as needed. Check for any stocks that may no longer meet your criteria. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.